Okay, guys, we're going to talk about number bonds. And yes, I know you don't know what a number bond is, but we're going to start out with some creepy, spooky bugs and some grosso spiders. So here we go. I got one little spider sitting on his spider web here, and I have another little spider sitting on his spider web here. This guy is all the bugs flying around in the night sky tonight. All the bugs. And these two spiders are waiting. So this is the hole. This is all of them that the spiders could possibly eat. And these are the parts. These are the parts. So whole parts. Whole parts. It takes two little parts to make up one big whole. So watch this. I have 5 bugs here. We're going to see how we can split them up to make 5. So I'm going to take my bugs out. And inside of here, I'm going to write 5. 5. Like that. Okay, 5 little bugs. Now I'm going to say that 2 get stuck in this web. We're going to put 2 in this web. The spider's eating them. It's so bad. 3 get stuck in this web. See, I've got 2 in one web and 3 in the other. There is no way that I can give each spider equal bugs because the number doesn't add up or doesn't divide up equal, does it? You want to know why? Because it's odd. Remember how we talked about odd and even numbers? An odd number cannot be divided into 2 equal parts. So the poor spiders cannot share the same amount. One is always going to have more than the other. So in this first spider web, we have 1, 2, 3 bugs. In the second spider web, we have 2 bugs. So I'm going to take the bugs away now. Taking the little buggies away. Erasing the spider web. Sorry, guys. I know you worked hard on it. Put my little spiders back up there. Put my circles back in. So when we divide our 5 bugs up, this spider got 2 and this spider got 3. 2 plus 3 make 5. These are the 2 parts that they got divided into. Part. This is the whole. No, that's not making super a lot of sense right now, but it will. It will someday. Especially as your brains get a little older. Sometimes your brains just have to grow up a little to understand some things. Let's do another number bond. Here's my whole. Let's see how many parts it divides into. We'll do an even number this time because an even number means it can be fair. Here's my 2 little spider guys. Let's do 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ew, it's a big gross pile of bugs. Let's divide them up between the spiders. 1 for you, Mr. Spider. 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 1 more for you, and 1 more for you. Okay, so now it's equal. Our 6 is an even number. It can be divided up equally. How many bugs did each spider get in their web? They got 3. So 2 3s make what? When you put 2 3s together and add them up and count them, they make 6. So these are the parts it takes to make 6, which is the whole. I'm going to say that again. These are the parts it takes to make 6, which is your whole. All right, taking this away. Now we're going to do it without bugs. But how, Miss Thompson? We got to count the bugs. No, we don't. Check it out. Let's start over with 7. Here's my whole. Here's my parts. Okay. I'm going to give you a clue. I'm going to put 3 and 1. So now we have to figure out what this guy is. You know how we do that? We subtract. So you take your little number and you grab him and you shake him around. Remember, shake him up, make him goofy. And then you count up to the 7, which is the big number. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's my other part? 4. I stick him there. Check that out. Isn't that cool? So all you're doing is subtracting. All right, hold on to your hats because I'm going to bring up some slides. And we, my friends, are going to do some... Not that. Not that. Hang in there. This is what I'm looking for. We're going to practice some more, if it'll load. It better load. You better load. You better load. What in the sandhill? Okay, it loaded. Let's make it big. Let's practice some more. So here is our number bond. This is our whole. 5, and these are our little parts. This takes a part of 3 and it takes a part of 2 to put it together and make your 5. Just like it takes eggs and flour, make cupcakes, take some other things too. All right, so we got 2. I gotta make this small so I can use my counters. I got 3 plus 2 makes 5. So 2 plus 3 still makes, what does it still make, guys? Still makes 5. Can I type a 5? Oh, nope, 5. And then, so we got 5 take away 2. So if you got 5 and you took away 2, what would still be left? 3. So that's how we do that one. Let's do one more. Let's do when we did that one. Okay, they're all 5s. Okay, so that's how we do it right there. We got 5. 3 and 2 make 5. So if you had 3 plus 2, they make 5. If you had 2 plus 3, they make 5. If you have 5 take away 3, it makes 2. If you have 5 take away 2, it makes 3. And we are going to be doing this before we do our fact families. We're going to get to these. These are fact families. So some little small number bond stuff. I'm going to add a paper in Seesaw for you today. It is not for a grade. It is for good practice because this is hard. So I want you to start practicing it at home with your moms, your dads, your grandmas, your grandpas, your aunts, your babysitters, whoever's watching you. And I know it's hard, but we're going to do a little bit every day until we get those number bonds down. So hang in there, people. Hang in there. You got this.